Genetic Toxicology Testing Market, In-Depth Insight Analysis to 2031. Genetic Toxicology Testing Market, Introduction. Genetic testing can help determine an individual's risk of developing various types of cancer over the course of their life. Genetic tests are available to test for inherited variants and mutations in the DNA sequence, which could lead to excessive cell growth and tumor/cancer formation. Examples include genetic testing for the identification of POLB2, associated with increased risks of breast and pancreatic cancers, CHEK2, breast and colorectal cancers, BRIP1, ovarian cancer, and RAD51C and RAD51D, ovarian cancer. The genetic toxicology testing market was worth approximately $7,836 in 2020 and is expected to generate $14,227 by 2026, at a CAGR of 10.45% during the forecast period. Global genetic toxicology testing markets, key trends. Primary goal of R&D is to improve the chances of phase I drug candidates being approved by increasing the acceptance of compounds in the preclinical stages. Intensive R&D activities are carried out in the early stages of drug development to achieve this. Consequently, the demand for genetic toxicology services is rising. Increased R&D spending in the early stages of drug development is expected to boost the use of in vivo toxicology methods before a drug enters the costly clinical stages. This increases the demand for genetic toxicology services, which further fuels the market. Based on application, the genetic toxicology testing market is segmented into the healthcare industry, pharmaceutical and biotechnology, the food industry, the cosmetic industry, and others, agriculture and chemical industries. The cosmetics industry segment is expected to grow significantly during the forecast period. Rise in use of cosmetics, owing to rising disposable incomes and their widespread availability, has prompted the industry to invest in breakthrough product research and development, which is expected to drive the market. Get brochure of the report at https://www.transparencymarketresearch.com/sample/sample.php. Flag equals B and rep_id equals 85063. Increase in technological advancements in recent years have opened significant market opportunities. Rise in the prevalence of chronic diseases and the development of customized testing kits for niche therapeutic areas is augmenting the market growth. According to the United Nations World Population Prospects 2019 data, by 2050, 1 in every 6 people on the planet is likely to be over the age of 65, and the number of people aged 80 and up is anticipated to triple, from 143 million in 2019 to 426 million. The aging population is more susceptible to chronic diseases. Therefore, demand for preventive diagnostics, particularly genetic testing, is on the rise. Autoimmunity and immune stimulation are important endpoints for drug development, considering the fact that half of the new drugs developed are human proteins and antibodies. Currently, these therapeutic molecules can be tested only in animal models. In vitro genetic testing methods do not allow evaluation of the memory response triggered inside the body post-secondary infection. These methods lack the ability to evaluate the recovery response of the body with respect to acute versus long-term immunosuppression. They are also incapable of evaluating the toxic effects of therapeutic molecules on lymphoid architecture, such as on lymph nodes, which could lead to defects in cellular interactions necessary for immune response. Get table of content of the report at https://www.transparencymarketresearch.com/sample/sample.php. Flag equals T and rep_id equals 85063. COVID-19 impact on genetic toxicology testing market. The genetic toxicology testing market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 10% for the next 2 years. Rise in demand for quick testing of the COVID-19 has also increased the demand for genetic toxicology services, especially in diagnostic assays and toxicology services. The FDA has approved various in vitro kits such as in vitro toxicology assays and consumables for emergency use in COVID-19 testing and diagnostics. These factors are anticipated to have a significant impact on the growth of the global market. Rapid spread of COVID-19 has resulted in a shortage of medical supplies and equipment due to temporary lockdowns imposed worldwide. This has resulted in the halting of manufacturing activities and the imposition of travel restrictions, affecting the movement of shipments. COVID-19 has had little impact on raw material supplies used in genetic toxicology except for transportation-related delays caused by travel restrictions and driver shortages. North America to hold major share of global genetic toxicology testing market. North America dominated the global genetic toxicology testing market in 2019. This could be ascribed to increase in development of structure-based drug designs, growth in academic and government investments in genomics and proteomics research, rise in life sciences research funding, high biopharmaceutical R&D expenditure, and the emerging adoption of advanced technologies in North America. Presence of a significant number of global players in this region is also contributing to the prominent share of the market. North America was followed by Europe, Asia Pacific, Latin America, and Middle East and Africa. Get custom research report at https://www.transparencymarketresearch.com/sample/sample.php. Flag equals CR and rep_id equals 85063. Key players operating in global genetic toxicology testing market. Major players operating in the genetic toxicology testing market are listed below. Charles River Laboratories International Incorporated. Creative BioArray. Creative Biolabs. Cyprotex plc. Environmental Biodetection Products Incorporated, EBPI Eurofins Scientific. Gentronics Limited. Jubilant Life Sciences Limited. Laboratory Corporation of America Holdings. MB Research Laboratories. Merck, Millipore Sigma Shanghai Medisalon Incorporated. Sotera Health LLC. Thermo Fisher Scientific Incorporated. Toxicon Corporation. About Us. Transparency Market Research, a global market research company registered at Wilmington, Delaware, United States, provides custom research and consulting services. Our exclusive blend of quantitative forecasting and trends analysis provides forward-looking insights for thousands of decision-makers. Our experienced team of analysts, researchers, and consultants use proprietary data sources and various tools and techniques to gather and analyze information. Our data repository is continuously updated and revised by a team of research experts, so that it always reflects the latest trends and information. With a broad research and analysis capability, Transparency Market Research employs rigorous primary and secondary research techniques in developing distinctive data sets and research material for business reports. For more research insights on leading industries, visit our YouTube channel and hit subscribe for future update. https://www.youtube.com/channel UC8EZG23 Contact Nikhil Salani. Transparency Market Research Incorporated. Corporate Headquarter Downtown 1000 Northwest Street, Suite 1200, Wilmington, Delaware 19801 USA. Telephone 1-518-618-1030. USA-Canada toll free 866-552-3453. Website https://www.transparencymarketresearch.com. Blog https://tmrblog.com. Email sales@transparencymarketresearch.com.